Meet Rover. Rover is the go-anywhere, do-anything programmable robot. With no complex setup or assembly required, Rover is able to drive precisely and accurately right out of the box. And with these all-terrain treads, you can drive Rover just about anywhere. Equipped with an ambient light sensor to detect changes in light, color sensor to code using color cards, and IR sensors to detect our other IR-enabled robots, Rover is positioned to be your go-to robotic platform. Rover also has an accelerometer and gyroscope to achieve accuracy with repeatable results. You can also code Rover using our Sphero EDU app with Draw and Drive, Scratch Blocks, or JavaScript. When you're ready for more, Rover is expandable with third-party hardware like Raspberry Pi, Arduino, Microbit, and Sphero's own LittleBits. With a UART port, a USB port, and a customizable expansion plate, Rover is a mobile platform for all of your projects. You can even hack Rover using our open SDK and API libraries. What will you do with Rover? The only limit is your imagination.